Big things are happening here at Spring Leader Academy. We are just weeks away from opening our doors at our brand new location at the Country Club of Miami.
This space was designed with your little ones in mind. With bigger classrooms, more learning opportunities for them to grow, explore, and thrive. Want to take a sneak peek?
Let's go.
Spots are filling in quick, so if you haven't secured your child's spot yet, now's the time.
Click the link in our bio or call us to schedule a tour. We can't wait to welcome you to our brand new home.
New building, same heart, same mission, helping your child grow in the best environment possible.
We can't wait to welcome you here.